Do you know that older Hisense Smart TVs in 32, 40 and standard 43 inches models didn't come with Bluetooth? Previously, Bluetooth was only available on the 43 inches 4K model and 15 inches models and above.
Now, Hisense has introduced new version of the regular 32-inch, 40-inch and 43-inch Smart TVs with built-in Bluetooth, making it easier than ever to connect wireless headphones, speakers, soundbars, game controllers and more. In this video, I will show you how to check if your new Hisense TV has Bluetooth and how to connect your Bluetooth device in just a few simple steps. If you are using one of the new Hisense Smart TV models, here is how to find and use Bluetooth feature. First, press the settings button on your remote. Scroll down and select connection. Scroll down again and select Bluetooth. If the Bluetooth is turned off, simply turn it on. Next, scroll down and select Bluetooth device. Now, put your Bluetooth device, whether it's a speaker, headphones or another accessory, into a pairing mode so the TV can discover it. Once your device appears on the TV screen, select it to pair. After a few seconds, your Bluetooth device will be connected and ready to use. That is all. And that is it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more Hisense TV tips, tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.